Hello everybody, I'm Jaden.
And I'm Weston.
Yes, I'm Desmond.
And this is a Mustang GT350, aka my dream car. And we're going to drive it right now.
I feel so dumb.
Feel so dumb?
Yeah, bro, like, why is such a loud car? I'm just a hater, bro.
Oh yeah, the roof is a little low. This darn car here. I'm sorry, Desmond. This is the dream. Sorry, people.
You can wait until we're out of the neighborhood, right?
I'm sorry.
Come on, man.
I can take some just a little bit.
Please don't die, because it will be recording and it's going to be embarrassing.
I've gone full speed on these before, okay? Full speed ahead. Okay, you don't even know. Okay. It's a bit of a downshift.
Well, are you going to cut out the parts where me and Desmond are complaining, or are you just going to keep those in?
No, those are staying in.
Don't worry, bro. Over that biker, kill him.
I'm not gonna remember the biker. That is also staying in the video, by the way.
Well, I'm just saying, bro. We got the Mustang.
I'm just saying.
Why not do the Mustang things?
That's not a Mustang thing.
You're running people over is definitely a Mustang thing. Come on
It's
now.
not a GT350 thing. It's like just any Mustang, okay?
What is it? An EcoBoost thing, bro?
It's a normal GT thing.
Really, bro?
Dude, Mike's got this.
Yeah, that's for when we inevitably crash and like roll. I didn't know that Mustangs were able to be moderate.
Mustang, they are able to be moderate.
And regular.
Let's see how bad it is now. See, that's so much more quiet. But who wants that?
There's a homeless person on the side of the road, bro. I'm just revving.
Where?
Oh my god. That's where he got his diploma.
Dude.
What, bro?
This thing too long. I think that was a bad idea.
Those are cool cars right there. Oh, good God. Diagonalic halt tax. Oh. Embarrassing things I've done, bro.
Weston!
I feel like, you know
You're
how
hurting
people
my feelings.
buy, it's not embarrassing for you, but you know how people when they bought the Cybertruck before and they were like, this is cool, and then everyone hates the Cybertruck because it looks so obnoxious. That's how kind of how I feel, bro.
This is not the same thing, dude.
It's not the same thing, but it's just, I guess I just don't get it because I'm not a car enthusiast. I'm not enthused by cars.
You really don't get it, bro. This is actually, I'm having the time of my life right now.
This is the best day of your life.
It is. It really is. You understood that sound, Weston?
I heard it. I don't know if I
So I
understood.
said, if you understood that sound, that right there.
You don't get it. I can be audibly annoying to everyone around me. And it's not for you, but I'm going to the same way.
Dude, nobody cares, okay? Nobody cares.
It's also even more embarrassing because I'm like recording this, bro. I feel like a doofus.
This is not. You were saying here that it's the best day of my life, worst day of your life.
It's not the worst day of my life. I've had worse days, but
Oh, okay, buddy. Okay.
I don't know.
Probably like bottom 50% though.
Bottom 50%. It is cool.
That's what I'm talking about. That is what
Slow
I'm
it
talking about.
down now.
Oh, seatbelt's tight for me.
It would really suck if there was a police officer though.
There's no police officers here, dude. I think here's fine. Dude, there's no officers here. It's fine. There's no officers. All right, this is the department I've been waiting for. This is the part I've been waiting for. Gotta put the sunglasses on.
Rizzler.
Come on, turn radius.
Wow, that was tight.
Now, that wasn't as bad as the other ones that got down. I'm just a little bit faster than the other one. Yes, we're going back down
Okay,
Metcalf. This is what I meant. I don't know why I said going back to Metcalf. We're going back to Metcalf. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. That's the Blue Beetle house for the Blue Beetle Bug Company, I think. Or wait, are they bugs? Duty bugs?
I mean, bro.
Yeah, it's
Pest control.
I redeemed myself. Because last time I was in this car, I didn't give it the beans, bro. Oh my god. That's the point of the video. I'm sorry.
You sound like a maniac, bro.
Yes.
Oh my god, dude. It's like a roller coaster.
My heart is stopping as I drive this car.
It's literally like a roller coaster, dude. Oh my
I'm
God,
having
it's making
heart
me feel some emotion right now.
I'm going to have a heart attack.
Oh, we have a full tank. I forgot. Dude.
Bruh.
I will never forget this day. Alright, let's hurry up and get back to the park before they get down.
At least we haven't like spun out or died yet.
Dude, this is a GT350, bro. There's no speed on this thing. Oh my gosh. I'm not even braking. This whatever it's called, the engine braking is just so strong.
Ooh, whatever it's called, bro.
Engine braking.
When did you say it has to be back?
I'll show you a good sound, buddy.
Okay, bro.
That's what I'm talking about. Sure that lower pin, bro.
Nice day over here.
Stop.
But I thought there was no cops, bro.
I meant in the area, bro. I'm sorry.
What was that?
I'm sorry. I can't help it, dude. This is scary.
You just turned into General Grievous, bro.
This way goblin.
He sounds like Gollum, bro.
Dude.
My precious.
Didn't make it out. He heard you.
I can't. I'm sorry. I can't. I'm attracting the wrong crowd, dude. I know. That's the funny part. Oh wait, turning. Oh my god. He's revving his truck at me, dude. What the frick is going on?
Because you revved at him, bro.
He's like, rev it up, bro. And I revved it up full show, bro. Gotta do one more pull for the boys, for the girls, for the boys and girls in the chat.
Mostly the boys. There's not very many girls.
like a psychopath.
They're all 5-year girls.
I can't. This car makes me one of them.
One of them?
One of them!
What does that mean? That sounds a
One
little
of them,
racist.
bro.
That sounds a little racist to me. One of those people, bro? What are you talking about?
Dude, head up this driving stand.
Yes. Did you see how impressed that old lady was, bro?
She was like,
That's a nice car right there.
That's definitely what you said.
one last pull for the boys and girls in the church. For the boys and girls in the church. For the boys and girls in the church. 9,000 RPM. I mean 8,000 RPM. There's a chat. There will be.
There is a chat. It's kind of like a roller coaster, except if you mess up, then you kill you and other people, bro.
It's kind of like a roller coaster, but like you're putting yourself and other people in danger.
Yeah.
I don't want to drive.
I just
Okay.
want to drive.
Oh, that was wrong.
You're a nice guy, dude.
I know.
Just drop us off here and we'll hide in the bushes, bro.
You want to get out right
I'm
here.
just kidding, bro. I don't care.
I was about to say.
Well, that's going to make him very disappointed I didn't get all of that. That was awesome.